Okay, welcome to the second period. And guys, you can see this program. Now we go for the compilation because yes, compilation is successfully, but we have to thoroughly check whether any notification is mismatched. Then it will not run. But we have to check. Look, now click on the run button. So whenever we put the run button, then you can see this is your hot rail and this is your neutral rail. Hot rail means actually this is your line and this is your neutral. So line to neutral, you have to connection should be proper. Otherwise, these components will not are going to the working means 0 to 1 stage. First, it is a start button in and this is a stop button in C. So whenever again remember this, whenever it will be action is taken on the stop button. So look, here is the stop button status is 1. So it is 1. But whenever the action is taken, it will going to the NC to the NO connection. So NO connection will be 0. Okay, means 0 state. So it will cut this path so that this M cycle will not run. Cycle on this relay contact will not run. So I am going to the start. Uh, just toggle it. So once I toggle it means start push button. Push button means once you push, then you have to release it. So once I push from 0 to 1 stage, you can see there is the green color and then it will going to the 0 state. But whatever may be, because latching is there, so cycle on is latching is there. So this cycle on is just on. And now there whenever cycle is on and it will start a main contact means this is your physical contact at which will main contact you can see in your you have just seen in the circuit diagram. And whenever main contact is going on and it will give in the look, this is the one stage which is it is running. So whenever it is running, it will start your star connection motor means now your motor is going to run. And whenever this main contactor is started, look, timer also start counting its time. I i am given the 50,000 milliseconds so that you can understand the effect of this timing done. Other but in your industry, actually within 3 to 5 seconds it will reach to the steady state without load. Then we apply a start to delta connection, but here we have to put some 50,000 milliseconds so that you can understand. Okay, till now our accumulator is going to counting and preset value is not reached. That's why you can see, just remember, time dn bit means done bit, it will not enable means it is at the 0 state. So here I am taking timer dn bit is 0, till now it is 0. So motor is starting at the star connection and it is going on. And you can see after the completion of the preset value, accumulator reach to the preset value, then the timer dn bit will be enabled. Whenever timer dn bit will be enabled, uh, so here you have to cut, it will already cut it because timer tn dn bit, here also you have to write some timer t1 dn bit. And so timer t1 dn bit, it will enable, so it will, now it is 0 state, then it will reach to the 1 state. So it will allow to flow current. Whenever it will allow to flow current, so what happens then this is your delta connection will also uh, it will also delta connection will start it means motor will run at the delta. And whenever it will delta will run, then it will automatically cut it this star connection. So motor starts motor then run in delta. So motor starts in delta connection, uh, star connection, but run in delta connection. One modification is required here, it will uh, you have to write down T1 DN bit. T1 DN bit. Okay, look. Now going to the compilation again. Start the start button, toggle, and then release again toggle, but it will main cycle is going on. You can see your timer is going on. Timer is just start. At accumulation is going on, and whenever it will reach to the 50,000 millisecond, then your done bit will activated. In your timer first timer basic programming, you can see that T1 enable bit, T1 DN bit, and T1 TT bit. T1 TT bit means timer timing. It is till now it will be count. It will be high when the accumulator is going on. Okay. Look, this is going on. Guys, after then we have to go for the control circuit, because in your automation circuit all time the ladder logic is not possible, but whenever connection is there, then you have to put some control circuit. So control circuit also same as ladder logic. On basis of this control circuit, we have to go for the this ladder logic, because first we have to give some physical logic. So after completion of this programming, then we go for the control circuit. It is another circuit. It is taking few much second. Look, this is your interlocking. When delta is run, then star will not run. When star is run, then delta is not run. Okay. And this is your latching. Still now the accumulator is going to counting. Look, it will just reach within few seconds. Okay, timer is so high, so I have to just preset value, reduce this value 5,000. Okay, look again, toggle, again toggle. Look, now it will reach very fast. Just watch this, star connection is running, and here is the delta connection. After completion of this, then you can see star connection will off and delta connection will be start. Look, timer accumulator is now going on. I will communicate with Look, now timer done bit is going on. So whenever timer is completed is counting, then star connection automatically it will cut down. Okay, so timer is cut down and your delta connection is enabled. You can see your delta connection coil is now uh, became green, so that it is going on, and in this way it will running. So first it was the star connection starting, and then it will run in the delta connection, and till now you do not stop anyway. Maybe there is a OLB, means overload breaker. Say just toggle it whenever overload breaker is toggle once toggle. So your total main cycle is on off, your main contact also diffused used, and look, total motor is off stage. Okay, again till until you put some toggling over here, again starting is going on. So your cycle is going on, then you can see again it is motor will start in a star connection, and after 5 seconds, after 5 seconds it will go into the delta connection. Now I am putting the 50,000 millisecond. Now it is going on in the star connection, and after the completion of this you can see this is the delta connection. Just watch is. Now it is done bit is reached. Whenever it will done bit is reached, you can see the star connection was green to white, means it will off state, and then your motor is started in the delta connection. Okay, so in this way start delta motor is motor starter is going on. And this is the ladder logic. And guys, have you any question? Then you may ask me. Otherwise, I am going for the next control circuit. So I am going for the control circuit diagram. I am stop here. So have you any question in the programming logic? Any ladder logic? Just perform it in your own mobile or laptop so that you can learn the ladder logic program. Okay, this is the vital
Okay,
thing.
sir.
I'm going to the another circuit. This is called the control circuit. Look, this is your star and delta connection. Now this is your physical connection. Okay, connection diagram. But how it is going, controlling is done. There is another uh, diagram is there. Which one is called control circuit diagram. Okay, don't save now. This is star. Okay. Here, first is your line. This is your control fuse. Okay, then it is coming. Look, this is your backup fuse. Sorry. This is neutral or the line 2. That is your K3. That is your okay. This is K1. Where K1 is there, look, where is the K1 is there? Look, here also K1 is there. K1. This is K2. Here is K3. This is for your delta connection. Delta and and this is star connection. Look, K3, when delta is, you can see K1, K2, K3, these are the contactor. Okay. And this is the main line contactor. If it will disconnect it, then it will also disconnect it. Okay. So what happens? Look, whenever delta is start, look, here is K3 and here is contact is also K3. So whenever this contactor became make state, break to make stage, then it will just cut. So star connection will cut. Okay, and here is this is the K4. K4 is the start delta timer. These are the start delta timer. Here K4. So whenever this timer is going on, okay, so this path, this path will be, this star path will detached and it will connect to in this path, direct in this path. Sorry, this is you can write this is the star, this is delta. You can write over here, this is star, this is delta. So look, first it is going to the star connection. Okay, then after the timer is activated, then this path will be activated and this path will be released. Okay, and then another protection is there. Whenever K3 means if star is just on, then it will cut this path. But whenever it will stop, it will just stop, then it will open this path because it's the NC switch. Look, this is the NC. Okay, and this is also NC. Okay, off push button. So whenever it is NC means normally connected, but after operation it will disconnect. On push button, look, this is NO switch. Okay, but after operation it will connect it. Okay, so this is the start delta connection controlled circuit. So guys, have you any question? Look, contactor is given contact K3 or Q1, whatever may be, and there is also a contactor symbol. This is the contactor symbol. It is just cross over here. This is the symbol of a contactor. And this is the contact of a contactor. Okay, contactor one type of a relay, just like a relay. But there is a some few contact is there, that's why it is called the contactor, and latching path also there in your contact. Okay, so this is your complete circuit diagram. So guys, please note it down. Look, line, this is your line. So current is coming through this circuit. It is, if breaker means overload breaker is operated, then it will cross, otherwise it will pass. NC is done. Till now current is here. I am giving the another. Okay, so whenever push button is on, then current is flowing. Current is also flowing in this way, in this way also. Okay, but in here is your, say this is your motor. This is a mainstream, and now what happens? Now first it is start in the star connection. So motor is going to the star connection. Okay, but whenever sorry, it is not going to this. Whenever your timer is operated, then it will connect to the delta and disconnect the star. So current will swing in this way. Okay, Here this contactor is motor. You can see motor contactor is there. In another contactor, there is here main line, and here some star and delta is there. Delta and star is there. Connection is coming here also, here also. So here contactor. Once it will break, then it will make. So okay. So when star is connected, delta is break. When star is connected, then delta is the break condition. So current will flow in this direction, and when delta star is break, delta is make. Delta is make, then current is flow in this way. So this is the star delta connection. So guys, this is a control circuit, simple control circuit, but it is seems very complicated because lots of symbols are there. So we have to know for automation and some symbols. Say fan, what is the symbol of fans? What is the symbol of motor? What is the overload relay? A oil circuit breaker. There is a particular symbols are there. In your control circuit, no alphabetic words are there, and even it is exist, but maybe coming from the different country. So this language is not English always. So we can't understand. We only can understand through these symbols, because symbols are universal. Okay, so by viewing these symbols, we can understand. Okay, so guys, have you any question? Then I will going to stop here. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Have a nice day.